Check out this 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Call today to schedule a test drive.